If you are working on any electrical, make sure the main power to the house is off. And if you don't feel comfortable working with electrical, I would call a professional to do the work for me or somebody that could help me.
It's a dishwasher here. Dishwasher, changing dishwasher to that dishwasher. So that looks like it's not hardwired. So I have to figure it out. Unless that's not the cord for that now. I've done the garbage disposal. It's done. Just running the water to check for leaks. So, gotta take the kick plate off. And then, you gotta disconnect the power right there. I'll figure out how it works. Let me take this plate off too. That head right here. Alright, so this is what I got. Now you always want to test it. Make sure the power's off. The main power. Before you touch anything. That's a Phillips. And you get a Phillips in my power tester. Power. This is Ames. AMES. It's $4. It never hurt me. And $4 best spent. So now let me hook up the ground, unhook it, break the ground free. And just because this is short, you're gonna have to go. Luckily this was loose enough to where I could just pull it out and I didn't have to do any extra unscrewing. So I think that all this old stuff is trash. So now I need to undo this. Hopefully the new dishwasher comes with new washers. Let's see how this washer looks. Alright, so I have the water off. And it looks like I can reuse this. I might just reuse it. Maybe. Because it's the same exact size. And so have the power out. Maybe I might reuse that drain if the other one's not long enough. We'll see. I gotta take it off and reuse the drain right here too. I gotta figure out a way to squeeze that thing so I can release it. I think my fingers are strong enough. Oh, there we go. I can move it though. That's about right. There. At least I can. Bam. Do that. Alright. And then I can reuse the drain. Be careful not to rip anything. And just twist it back and forth to kind of break everything. Damn it. Ah, fork. Make sure you have a towel handy. Catch everything. Okay. And take it out. Nothing should be holding it. The heat shield goes on a new one. Right there. So let's see if the clips. No, there's no clips. This one's a little bit different. Okay, so that somehow gotta transfer this into there. So Let me prep this. At least to make it easy. So let me get this off. I got my own. I'll just lay this now. Since that's prepped, I'm gonna make sure I get a nice seal. Clean everything nicely. Alright. That's nice, that's nice. Nothing in here. Okay. To make it easier, put it like that. And everything. Put the wires through here. Very good right there. And tighten that up. Okay, now the drain. That's the outside needs to be clean. Make sure the heat shield's on from the old one. And just back everything. Back everything up. Hook it up. Give me my tools back. Make sure everything slides through nicely to the front. And then, yep, hook everything back up. Measure it out before you buy a new one. Stuff that, so that's like that. And then you want to adjust the feet, I guess. But you want the buttons to be out. But this is supposed to screw into this. Maybe I'll keep that like that so she can do. So pull this out. This is the one I don't need. This is the one I'm not using. So I'm not using that one. Let me hook up the water first. Let me hook up the water first. The water first. Right here. This is plastic. So kind of go in reverse before you go forward. Make sure that the threads are on right. Boy, it won't give you any resistance if the threads are on right. That shouldn't need to be too tight. Just play with it. Now I need to get my drain pipe out of the back. Right here, hopefully. Yes, it reaches. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, so that's... Bam. I'm gonna put the drain on the bottom, so it's not holding water in this joint. Now, I think that's all the way in. And the stopper is right up against the stopper on the bottom. I think it needs to be the stopper. Pigtail this before I go under. Oh boy. Let me do that. Ba-bam. Ba-bam. There goes behind the screw. Okay, I gotta push the wire through this hole. Alright, so got it in. I wanna get the ground wire. Because I want all this with the sheathing to be in. in the hole. So now I've got to wrap this around the way that I'm going. Gosh, like that. Good. There's more than half of it is bitten. And I'll take 2 of these. And I'll put white with the white and black with the black. So black goes with the black. It doesn't come out, it's tight. It's hooked up. Let me put the box on. Make sure everything's tight. Don't want to tighten this too much. Just check if it's not leaking. And it's done. That is that. It should be just like that. Alright, so after the bottom is all hooked up, figure out the top situation. Like this. It's gonna be just like that. So I gotta change my other bit. The water's on. There's no leak in here, so I'm gonna try to run the dishwasher and see if the drain leaks. And that's it.